I met her in the fall, but her name was Spring. A mud hut, no fluff in reality. South of the border, south of the corridor that leads to the unknown. We saw one shooting star. I closed my eyes and I prayed to God. When I asked what her wish was, she couldn't find one. It's the world she's never known, but somewhere we all deserve to go. Hey! It's our time. We are the dreamers. Touch the sky, calling all who are believers. Impossible is probable. Imagination drops the wall. There's an endless world outside. We are the dreamers. My dream, she said, what do you know? I define my life by the status quo. Here wishing and wonder, hidden by hunger, and the will just to survive. I know, well no I don't, but maybe I could show you the ropes. The mind is a weapon, wanting and waiting for a place to let it go. You're free to fly and free to fall.